yesterday. There was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the mundane.
Good afternoon, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kevin. This is like take 5. So the first episode, or the first take, well, even before the camera started rolling, I lost an egg on the floor because it rolled off the counter. And then I was trying to separate for egg whites. Well, the yolks in these eggs aren't the best. So, of course, when I put it in the separator, well, the yolk broke too.
I don't know. I
And
think
then
it
we
was the
tried
operator.
Anyway, so I put the separator on this and cracked the eggs very carefully into it. And we got what we needed. We got our egg whites because that's one of the ingredients of what we're cooking today. Almond cookies. We're doing egg whites, sliced almonds, a little bit of salt, and some sugar-free chocolate chips. But we're going to mix the egg whites and the almonds and a little dash of salt. We're going to mix that up. We're going to plop it onto the baking sheet, and it's going to go in the oven at 340 for 15 minutes until golden. So, let's mix this up. Just a dash of salt, as it says, and 1.5 cups of almonds. I should have
Had the scissors.
already had this open, but I don't even know if I got half a cup. Yeah, I do. Alright, mix them up. Spill them everywhere.
Should have saw the first bowl we took out. And he's always the one, I need a bigger bowl. He takes this little tiny bowl out.
Well, it probably would have worked, just would have been a little more messier. I thought you were going to tell me, well, the first bowl I took out because it was dirty. It didn't come out of the dishwasher because that was from
Yeah, I know, but
Easter, but it didn't come clean. So.
no.
Alright. Okay.
Should make about 6 cookies. 6 to 8. Not very big.
Oh, it'll make more than that, man. Like, I got it.
Like about this big.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
So about like that, right?
Yeah. And not to flatten them, they said.
I'm not trying to flatten
Yeah, I
them.
know.
I'm just trying to put them.
And it's fine being close because there's not a cookie that's going to spread.
No. No, 7.
There we go. See, I said 6 to 8. I knew what I was
Yeah,
talking about.
yeah. Okay. We're going to throw these in the oven for 15 minutes and we'll be back. Cookies are done. Nice. Golden brown. So what we're going to do now is going to put some chocolate chips in the microwave. About 30 seconds at a time interval. And when they're done, we're just going to put the chocolate over the cookies. And then we will come back for a taste test.
I thought we could also give a little try to this Zora chocolate as well that we got on the weekend. So take a little bite of that.
And this one is the dark.
Dark.
No.
He won't eat
Oh,
it.
you won't eat it.
I'm not a Huge dark chocolate. Although this is kind of on the dark chocolate side, but
That's
Hard
very
good.
good.
All right.
Very
Your
good.
cookies.
trying to stay awake because I stayed up quite a bit late last night because I got to get up early this morning. All right. I screwed the chocolate up.
He melted it too long,
Too
and so
long,
it clumped.
so it
So he just
clumped.
spread it.
Fine.
He just spread it instead of drizzled. That's all. Not a big deal. Good. Can I just have a bite because I don't have enough room to eat anymore?
You can, because I don't think I am.
We'll break it in half and I'll have some too. Because you... Thank you.
That's good.
They are good.
That is really good.
I think what I would do next time,
And easy.
I think I would actually roast the almonds first,
Yeah, I can do that.
then mix, and then yeah.
They're good.
Very good.
What a nice treat. All right. A keeper.
Me or the cookies?
Now, I was going to say the cookies or the husband.
Well, I'll keep both.
No, you're getting rid of me.
We are.
You're kicking me out.
And the cat's
Move somebody else in, you should get out. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Cookies were a success.
Absolutely. All right.
Very good.
That's it.
All right, till next time. Bye. And, I don't mind you talking when I'm doing it, but can you let me finish what I'm going to say
yeah.
before you interrupt? Man, I tell you. Oh, okay. Take 3. Well, good afternoon. Welcome back to another person. Oh, take 4. Yeah. I knew I should have stayed in bed today. Now I'm gonna get.
Now you can put these bloopers at the end. That'd
Oh.
be fun. It'd be fun for a change.
All right.